Now you're recording.
Alright, this is Tyler, and this is Austin. Yeah, you see him? He's retarded. Okay, now this is me. Why don't you say hi? Stupid camera. Freaking camera. Freaking camera. Mom, this camera doesn't talk. It's such a rip-off. We paid an extra $400 for it, and it doesn't talk. What a rip. What? I'll touch this camera all I want. I bought it. Stupid people these days. Austin, get off my dirt bike. Well, if you get on it, it might break. Shut up. I ain't gonna shut up. I want a dirt bike that works, man. Gosh. See, look at that. He's just rolling it around. If he sits on that, the shocks would just break off and hit me in the face. No! No, don't sit on it! No! Oh my gosh, it broke! It broke! It broke! It broke! It broke! He sat on it. Oh my gosh.